当社事業説明会にお集まりいただきましたことをお礼申し上げたいというふうに思います。
In the medium-term plan that ended in 2012, we made progress toward our goals of structural reform and laying foundations for growth. With this groundwork in place, we kicked off the current medium-term plan in 2013 with the key phrase, increased corporate value through sustained growth. In order to achieve this value, we have proactively implemented ongoing structural reforms, improved product competitiveness, and reaped the benefits of growth. 2014 was the second consecutive year of increases in both sales and income. In terms of operating income, we expect to reach the 80 billion yen target laid out in the medium-term management plan 1 year ahead of schedule. As part of initiatives to further increase sales and income, we intend to continue promoting the idea of increased corporate value through sustained growth in 2015, with the aim of achieving sales of 2 trillion yen and operating income of 7.5% in the next medium-term plan. Let me address the specifics of each business. For each segment, we have set targets that must be achieved at the earliest stage possible. For the motorcycle business, we will strive to create a stable profit structure with sales on a scale of 1 trillion yen and more, with an operating income ratio of 5%. In the marine business, which is tracking well, we will work to achieve a sales volume of 300 billion and more as soon as possible, and continue to build a profit structure of 15% or more. For power products and other business segments, we will aim to achieve a sales volume of 300 billion yen and more, with work to create a structure for consistently achieving high profits. We have 2 management strategies to achieve these targets: exceeding the expectations of our customers and continued commitment to management reforms. At the core of the exceeding the expectations of our customers strategy are the following: original concepts, technologies of unsurpassed performance and function, design that expresses a refined dynamism. Leveraging these 3 aspects, we aim to achieve engineering excellence that expresses the unique style of Yamaha. The next initiative is cost reduction. We are aiming for net cost reductions of 70 billion yen and have incorporated cuts of 20 billion yen, 30% of our goal, into the results for 2014. In 2015, we will bring this figure up to 60%, and in 2016, we will implement it further. More specifically, we are envisaging reductions of 40% through platform model aggregation, and so we have aggregated part suppliers for platform models, reducing the number of companies from 400 to 195. We've also improved the planning and development process, rolling out an integrated development structure at 6 bases, including Thailand, India, and Indonesia, for rapid development of locally tailored products. The way we craft our products, monozukuri, is another thing we are improving. We will continue to develop competitive new technologies and basic platforms in Japan and implement them to produce global models that offer versatility, uniqueness, and fresh appeal. By developing platforms, we'll be able to condense product lines. The Blue Core Next Generation Platform Engine range is one example. By 2020, we will have condensed our engine range down to 3 Blue Core platform engines, with increased unit sales of 5 million, up from 1.5 million in 2015. We are also making advances in reducing the cost of the fuel injection system and will work to bring the price closer to that of the carburetor. The second part of the management strategy, continued commitment to management reforms, will be achieved through further structural reforms. With regard to domestic production, in 2009, we had 12 factories and 25 units. Through our concerted efforts, we have consolidated that to 8 factories and 16 units this year, and are on track to meet our target of 6 factories, 13 units by next year, saving a total of 20 billion yen. In Europe, the Europe One Company Business Structure Reform Initiative is currently in its final stages, with completion projected before the end of 2014. Yamaha Motor has been carrying out initiatives with the aim of providing fulfilling lifestyles, enjoyment of personal mobility, and innovative technologies that harmonize with people, society, and the earth. I will now discuss how we are realizing these three themes. We say that the strength of Yamaha products lies in the performance, low weight, fuel efficiency, and design. Let's take a look at the current state of the engine technology behind these strengths and where we intend to take that technology in the future. As I explained last year, the technologies for high performance, low weight, and fuel efficiency are what we consider to be the core of our engine technology. In other words, these three engine-related technologies form the foundation for strong products. By shifting from a four-stroke carburetor engine to a fuel-injected engine, we have made advances in fuel efficiency while also improving the performance, drivability, and stability. In the future, we will develop the engine further, and in compact commuters, we will work to realize fuel efficiency that is twice that of carburetor models, and a 30% improvement over this year's model. We are set to take on the 3 trillion yen global marine market by implementing initiatives to expand our business field through a combination of hull strategy that makes the most of our strong engines and peripheral equipment. In outboard motors, we are in the process of developing high-performance, lightweight, compact next-generation engines, particularly for large models. This year, we will be launching the new F115 model, following on the success of the F200 series released last year. We will continue to expand our model lineup into next year and beyond. In personal watercraft, following the success of the high-performance engine FX-FZ series, we will start making inroads into lower price categories. And in sports boats powered by jet propulsion engines, we are working to develop products that provide new enjoyment in addition to those for family use. In the Chinese fishing boat market, heavy wooden boats make up the majority of vessels. Yamaha Motor has established a boat factory in Xuanzidao in Dalian City for supplying package boats utilizing FRP boat and outboard matching technology. Marinas and other infrastructure have been put into place in line with economic development that creates new market opportunities for leisure fishing boats. So we have also begun outsourcing the production of fishing boats to a company in Zhuhai City and are launching pleasure boat products to meet this demand. This concludes my talk on our initiatives in developing nations. And for the third theme, commitment to unique versatility, we will pour our energies into developing our business model to increase value and into broadening our customer base. To gain solid presence in the global market, we are going to launch unique new products onto the market.
以上、私からの説明を終わりたいと思います。ありがとうございました。
Yamaha